Based on the title, many of you might think this video covers cleaning the spin nozzles. That was our intention originally when we put this video together, but ultimately what we have is just a simple demonstration or a video of a spin nozzle that isn't working well, and then we'll show you a spin nozzle that is. The cleaning of the spin nozzle is fairly self-explanatory. Basically, you're going to unclip the top clip off the spin nozzle, pull the spin nozzle out of the bottom of the piping. There's a hole that slides up into, and then there's an Allen wrench, an Allen screw that you can use to disassemble the spin nozzle. Clean it out using chlorine or any other kind of detergent, and then put it back in there. The key though to making sure the spin nozzle stays connected once you push it back up in the hole is to line up those notches that the little clip sets into. Anyway, take a look at this real quick. At least it'll give you an idea of what the spin nozzle, the actual squirt around the spin nozzle should look like over the media. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
So here's a good example of a spin nozzle that is struggling to deal with some of the bioslam that's built up on it. Cass is going to hit the trigger there and kind of show you what this looks like. So these aren't spinning, and we're going to have to clean these up. So actually what we did was we just replaced the spin nozzles on this system with new ones, and we're going to take the old ones back to the office and soak them in chlorine so it's a little easier to clean. We'll go through the cleaning process though if you want to do that in the field. Cass is going to go ahead and throw this thing on, show you the difference. So we actually adjusted this one a little bit. It's hard to tell maybe in the video what kind of coverage we have, but we've got good coverage across the media now as opposed to just right down in below the emitter or below the spin nozzle. So I took care of that.